Hello, it's Choo TV. We're gonna have some fun and some adventure. And now, what we have to do is to open this cabinet, have some mask. Yes, we have some mask now. And this is my mask. And so, we're gonna do this with some people, okay? Now we're in the bedroom now. So that's Jalia's manika. This is our cabinet, and when I got my mask, and okay, bye bye. It's okay now.